Hi everyone. Today we're going to look at AMEX Gold. And if you're new to the channel, welcome to Buzz Crimson. My name is Shakib. In this channel, we talk about personal finance, investing, option trading, whatever you name it. So if you're interested, don't forget to like my videos and subscribe so you can stay tuned for all my videos, I guess. Okay, so let's talk about this card. I'll talk very briefly about the appearance and look and status, but essentially it looks like a very nice gold card. A lot of people probably thinks it's made out of gold, probably, but once they touch it, they'll realize it's not. But it's pretty heavy when you think about credit cards. About 14 grams or 15 grams, I think. It's slightly lighter than the Amex Platinum card, but size-wise, it's the same. It definitely feels great in your hands. I like using this card. Sometimes when I give it to cashiers, the cashier will try to swipe the card very quickly, but oftentimes they pause because right away you'd notice the difference because it's a metal card and it's just very shiny and nice to look at. So they often stop. It always makes me feel good. I don't know why. But aside from all the appearance and stuff, oh, by the way, there you can also get a different version of this that's in rose gold. Personally, I like this one better. But yeah, you have that choice. Okay, so let's talk about all the details about the card, how, what's it good for, annual fees and whatnot. So Amex Gold, annual fee, $250. So it's definitely not a very cheap card. But I promise you, it's very easy to get all those money back. In fact, this card pays for itself and provides additional value, at least for me. And I want to show you how you can get that. So if you notice in the bottom, I have a referral link. If you use that link, it'll take you to a page like this where you can choose which color you want, gold or rose gold, and you will have an exclusive sign-up bonus of 75K MR points, and you can get those bonus points if you meet their spending requirement, which is, I believe, $4,000 in the first 3 months. So if you apply for the card, don't forget to use my referral link. Okay, so $250 right away. All right. So what do you get? If you spend the 4K, you're gonna get 75K points. That'll translate to minimum $450 to upward, if you redeem them toward travel, almost $750. So, that's, if you redeem them toward travel, that's like three years worth of annual fee. So definitely worth already. You get 4x points on dining in restaurants. So groceries, food, eating in or taking out, 4x points. That's very competitive. 3x points on travel. If you don't have any other travel card, this can do the job very efficiently. And it does have some travel perks such as rental car insurance, baggage insurance. It can also provide you trip delay reimbursements and whatnot. So definitely worth, and no foreign transaction fees. And then here comes the best part, why I've liked this card a lot, especially as I'm working from home a lot. You get $10 credit in Uber and $10 dining credit that you can use at Grubhub or Shake Shack or Cheesecake Factories, but $20 per month to order food. You can also pick up, but you can order food. If you add that up in 1 year, they'll give you $240 worth of credit to order food. That's almost more than 90% of the annual fee right there. On top of that, if you sign up for the card this year, they're going to give you Uber Eats Pass, which delivers food for free. And every time you order, you get 5% discount. So when you think about it, that adds up anyway, way above $250, right? And on top of that, Amex Gold and Amex Platinum, these two cards are always loaded with Amex offers. If you're not familiar, there are essentially a lot of offers that you can add to your card. And then when you use the card toward the offers, or let's say, for example, I had an offer that I added to my cart from Quick Trip. where I use the card at QuickTrip and I get $5 back if I spend $10 or something. Very easy. I didn't even know I already got $5 back. There's offers on Subway, Amazon, Macy's, Fanatics, pretty much in every category you can think of. So they just add up and you get way more than that annual fee of $250. So very easy sell for me. I order food often. Even if I don't, I would use it for Uber or something. So very easy redemption for me, and I definitely value MX points a lot. So that is how I think this is a very versatile card, not only for everyday use, but also for travel. If you don't have a very good competitive card from Chase or let's say Citi, I would strongly consider this card. So check it out. If you apply, use my referral link. And if you have any questions, let me know. Yeah, I think that is it for this video. As always, thank you for watching.